I'm in Zimbabwe and I want to show you something really amazing. We're coming towards the end of our rainy season and all the antelope have dropped their calves. And with all these calves in the thick green lush bush come predators. And unfortunately, it's about to start raining, so I'll be quick. Baby bushbuck has been taken by an African rock python. And behind me we're going to show you this wonderful wildlife scene unfolding. And this large African rock python has caught itself a bushbuck calf, beautiful tan calf with white stripes. And unfortunately for the bushbuck calf, its camouflage didn't help it with the python.